Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you guys about the new weather in Heartopia that's coming up. So if you open your watch and open the weather section, if you see there's this sun like emoji with sunglasses on Monday. So what that basically means is that we will get a new skin tone and also a new makeup. For the sunburn makeup, what I've seen like online, you'll have to take sun baths for 3 days, which means three times the weather appears for every 1 minute in that area. It is kind of similar to the frostbite look that we had on the winter in the winter update. And then there's also the tanned red skin tone, and you do have to do it 6 times. So for the makeup, it's 3. And for the skin tone, it's 6 times. As you can see, there's going to be another one here. But as the day progresses, I will be giving you guys an update on the weather and how you can obtain the makeup and the skin tone. This is just based off of the Chinese servers. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!